Okay, this is how to use Desmos to check your answer when you have a equation like this. Okay, first of all, we're going to use x instead of other variables. That's one thing. And let's try this problem right here, number 5. So we're going to type into one side. So there's an equal sign right here. Okay, we're going to type each side of the equation in as it appears. So -6, well, except we're going to use the x instead of w. So closing that, and then plus 8x. Okay, so you can see that what I just did was I took this half of the equation, and now in my second line, I'm going to have this equation. And so that's going to be 2 parentheses x plus 9, close parentheses. Now over here, over here on my graph, I'm going to look at where these two lines cross, and that's going to be my solution. But what are you noticing? Are you noticing? Let's zoom out here. Oops, that's the wrong thing. Let's zoom out here. Are you noticing? These are parallel lines. So what does that tell you about this equation? If they are parallel lines, that means they don't cross. That means they don't have a solution. So that's why I would say that this problem right here, this one that we just typed into Desmos, has no solution. Okay, well, let's look at another one. How about this one right here? Let's go change it. We'll come up here. And instead, we're going to get rid of those two, and we're going to type in the new problem. Okay, so 3x, we're not going to use m, minus parentheses, just type it in just as it is, 7x plus 12, parentheses. And then on the other side of the equals, I'm typing in 2 parentheses, x minus 3. Okay, and now they do cross. So let's zoom in there. Let's zoom. There we go. Zoom. Why don't you zoom more? Okay, and we see where they cross, and let's just click on that spot, right? Oh, okay, that is -1, -8. So what was I trying to solve for? So we got -1, -8 for where they were crossing. You are looking for the x value, right? That's what you wanted to know. So the x value is, so you would say that, well, in this case, m, right? X is equal to -1. In this case, it would be m is equal to -1. And why is that? Just to make sure you're understanding, right here, right where those two lines are crossing, the x value is -1 at that solution. Okay, then, try another one. Let's see, let's try this one down here. And so you type in 2x minus 2. That's not right. 2x minus 2, and then parentheses for x minus 3. Close parentheses. Then on the other side of the equation, right, you're typing this in two separate lines. 6 minus 6x. And now I'm looking, wait a minute, I'm looking for where they're crossing. But what do you see? Do you see, let me zoom in more. Are you noticing if I click the black one and make it disappear and you just see the red and then I bring it back? Do you notice that they are exactly on top of each other? Are you noticing that? Okay, so what does it mean when two lines share every single point? Every single point. If they are two lines right on top of each other, we know that it has infinite solutions. Okay, and that symbol also shows infinite solutions. No solution, another way to write that is like this. Okay, so that's the three things that could happen when you're typing these in. So either you're looking for the x value, or these two situations occur where two lines are on top of each other, and here's where there's two parallel lines. And that is that. So that's how you use Desmos to check your solution.